John Teobade, owner of DetailnPlasti, and we are the exclusive distributors of Ultimaxx ceramics in Canada. I train and support detailers in all areas of paint correction and surface protection installation. I also provide mentorship and insight derived from 18 years of experience. We provide high quality and cost-effective surface protection and maintenance solutions for professional detailers and do-it-yourselfers, aka the weekend warriors. We manage a wide range of surface prep and protection projects as well. We started off 2023 big thanks to our friends at Executive Yacht. Last year we prepped and we ceramic coated a 28-foot $1 million vessel. The client was extremely pleased with the service. In 2023, CEO and co-founder at Executive Yacht, Derek Matter commissioned a brand new yacht, a Riva Dolce 48 for Ultimaxx ceramics installation.
Behind me here we've got the very rare and respected Riva 48 Dolce Riva. It's one of two in North America with a hardtop and the only one in Canada. The owner on this boat is very particular, like all Riva owners. He not only wanted a shiny finish, but he wanted something that was durable and easy to maintain. So we ended up speaking with John and sourcing the Ultimaxx ceramic product, which we think is going to be a great solution for this boat, both here and if it ever travels to a harsher environment like salt water, will exceed expectations. I think that we've got it here.
So we had two Ultimaxx accredited installers helping us with this project. We had Grant Todd from Grant's Detailing assisting us. Grant has been detailing for over a decade now.
Hey, my name's Grant. I own and operate Grant's Detail and Paint Correction. I've been detailing since 2011. Grant's Detailing Paint Correction has been a sole proprietorship since 2020.
I brought in Mark Aioli from Aioli Detailing, as he has over 15 years of detailing experience, and we've been friends for over a decade, which is why it was a no-brainer to have him join the team.
My name's Mark and I own Alloy Detailing. I've been working with John for a number of years with special projects like this. I've been in the detailing industry for about 10 years now.
Some of the highlights of this Dolce 48 Riva include, it was a brand new model. It had not been touched. It had been on the water for approximately 3 months before it was put into storage. And it was 1 out of 1 in Canada. Services on this boat is of a base coat, clear coat combination with approximately 20 layers of clear coat applied on each surface.
Ultimaxx has a ceramic coating or a coating solution for practically every single surface you could think of, whether it's industrial, personal, lifestyle. There's not anything that Ultimaxx can't cater to in a ceramic coating or have versatility to. We did the entire exterior, including the hull, the top deck, and the roof. We went to town on polishing and correcting as much paint as there is on this boat. A lot of the products we used here today have been supplied by Ultimaxx. So from start to finish, we kind of gathered as a team and created an action plan and analyzed what would need to be done. We're using Ultimaxx compounds, Ultimaxx polishing pads, all the way up to the Ultimaxx panel prep, so an IPA, an alcohol-based solution in order for us to sanitize and prepare all lacquered surfaces for coatings. We used Ultimaxx Signature Pro series, a 5-year Durazane-based coating, and we've done 2 layers of that on the boat.
The client wanted the bow, hardtop, and hull protected. Like the previous vessel that we ceramic coated, I suggested Ultimaxx Signature Professional and Ultimaxx Showtime.
In this case, we're doing 2 layers of the Ultimaxx Signature Pro. It's a Durazane-based coating, arguably the most appropriate coating for this project, given its extreme chemical resistance and abrasion resistance. Pretty much every single product we have, aside from rags and coffee, are Ultimaxx branded.
piece of nautical artistry. We've got a very rare Riva 48.
To become an Ultimaxx accredited installer, or to learn more about the services that DetailnPlasti provides, feel free to check us out on all social medias.